I do like to get a little fancy every now and then. So today I'm going to be cooking my Duck Bao Buns. Now I was talking to the team at Luv-a-Duck, and you know what's happened this year is that more and more people have been cooking at home, and what they've discovered is that duck is hugely impressive, but it's not only something that's just saved for when you go out in restaurants, it's something that you can actually eat and cook for yourself at home. And the Duck Bao Buns, you're gonna love that because it is something that you can serve to your guests in your home and it will be hugely impressive. So with the marinade, there's a few ingredients, but they're all things that you'll find in your supermarket or actually in your pantry. So you just need some soy sauce, some Chinese cooking wine, some sesame oil, crushed garlic, minced ginger, Chinese 5-spice, and a nice drizzle of honey. So I use a whisk just to break up that honey, and then all you're gonna do is drop in your duck breast. Let that marinate for about 2 hours if you can, but I've actually got some that I prepared earlier. I've always wanted to say that. So when it comes to cooking duck, I have a little foolproof way that I do it. So you want to start with a cold fry pan, okay? Then you want to place your duck skin side down, and 2. And now you're going to turn on your stove to around a medium-high heat and cook it on its skin side for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to flip it over and cook it for 2. And then you're going to put it in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. So this slaw is really simple to do. I mean, all I've done is shredded up some red cabbage, some green cabbage, and some julienne carrots. Now, I don't have a measurement for your Kewpie mayonnaise. Literally, swirl it around, however you like. Told you, I'm simple, but I'm fancy. Oh, let me wash my hands. So, my duck is almost ready. Let me have a little look. Oh, yeah. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It's so beautiful. So you do want to let that rest. Grab yourself a plate, get it out of that hot fry pan, and let it rest. I mean, 5 minutes. I like to go 10, 15 because you want those juices to go back into your duck breast. You want it to be blushing pink and really full of moisture. And the way that you do that is by resting it. Bao buns have been steaming away, and you're just going to finely slice some beautiful pieces of duck. And it's really up to you on how thin or thick you want to do it. Don't be worried if you don't like it particularly red. I like my duck medium to well done. I still like it to look quite pink though. So now it's assembly time. You want to grab your bao buns and you want them to be nice and, oh, I wish you could feel it. It's so soft and so gorgeous. Now it really depends on how you want to do it. I like to go in with the coleslaw first. Now, if I was doing this for guests, I would have a set of tongs, don't worry, but it's just me and you. So I'm just going to use my hands and then a little bit of duck, and because it is just me, I'm going to pick the best piece. That one. Now you can top this with fresh chili, some Asian herbs. I'm going to go in with some coriander and mint. And you can bet your bottom dollar I'm going in for a bit of a bite. This is really good. Can I have another bite? Yeah.